Hey guys, and welcome to NKGplus. The wait for the notate to be updated is like sitting in a gridlock or yonks watching other cars just come from nowhere and jump in front of you. This can be very frustrating, but finally we see the red light turn amber. Soon it's gonna go green. Now, according to Android headline, the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 appears to be on track to receive the highly anticipated Android 8.0 Oreo update at the end of the month. According to new information that recently popped up on Samsung's Turkish outlet, specifically on the official page dedicated to international variant of the Galaxy Note 8 bearing the model number that is SMN950F, now suggests that the Android Oreo is planned to be released on March the 30th. Now, although this date might be subjected to change and might not reflect the update's availability in every region where the N950F was released, we can be sure that the rollout is going to start this month. So guys, let me know what you think of this. I'm excited, and I know some of you lot are. So guys, if you enjoyed this and you have any suggestion, please tick the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up or thumbs down. Either way, your opinion is worth a million. So we'll see you in the next show.